Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar defers 10,000 rupee crore deal for 12 Japanese aircraft. The Defence Ministry has deferred a proposal worth over 10,000 rupee crore for acquiring 12 amphibious aircraft from Japan for the Navy, as the government feels that there is a need for further clarity in the project. There is a view in the ministry that there is still need for further discussion on the requirement of these planes for the Navy and what roles would they play in the maritime force, sources told Mail Today. The Navy is now planning to give a detailed presentation to the government on how the planes would be useful for the force and bring in more clarity on the issue, the sources said. The deal was also taken up for discussion during the recent meeting of the Defence Acquisition Council, DAC, headed by Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar. The Navy has been pushing for the acquisition of these amphibious planes which can land on both sea and runways, but the Defence Ministry's acquisition wing has not been very keen for procuring it. Joint Secretary rank officers in the ministry in the past have questioned the proposal to buy the planes. Thank you for watching. Please check out my other videos. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.